Hi friends, Christina here from Four Parks One Girl Travel Agency. Today I'm super excited because we are checking into a room at the Gran Destino Tower here at Coronado Springs. I've stayed at Coronado Springs before but never in the tower, so I'm very excited to check this out. I did a mobile check-in today, so I don't need to stop by the front desk. They'll simply text me when my room is ready. Which it's not yet, so I thought we would grab some coffee, maybe a bite to eat, and explore a little bit before we're able to see our room. So let's go have some fun. Mercado De Coronado. This is the quick service location here at Coronado Springs. So since my room is not ready yet, I was feeling a little hungry, so I decided to take a walk over to El Mercado De Coronado. I was a little bit too late for breakfast. I was hoping to get some scrambled eggs, but I just missed it, but that's okay. I picked up a fruit cup, and I'm just sitting here and enjoying my fruit and enjoying this absolutely gorgeous day and an absolutely gorgeous view. Check this out. So before the Gran Destino Tower was built, this was actually the main lobby check-in area, Coronado Springs, but they have since built the tower and they turned this into kind of just a big lounge area, workspace. They have some nice tables set up, they've got some board games, some like desk areas where people can do work. Coronado Springs also has a convention center, so a lot of people come here on work trips, so that makes a lot of sense that they have turned that area into a beautiful spot for people to get some work done when they're here on a work trip. Get some work done with a view. Doesn't sound half bad. This is the Barcelona Lounge. They've got some great coffee options here, as well as some just like quick grab and go snacks. And this is the Gran Destino Tower lobby. Beautiful view, so artistic. The architecture. Love the Spanish influence. And of course you've got our guy Walt over there and Mickey. Beautiful piece of artwork. And this is the new check-in area. Right across the water there is a restaurant called Three Bridges, and it's called that because it has three bridges all around Coronado Springs that lead to it, and it's one of my favorite places to go grab a drink, a snack, a meal. They have really great food, and we are going to be eating there tomorrow night, so looking forward to that. But for now, I just got an exciting text message that our room is ready. So let's go ahead and head upstairs and check that out. So our room is on the 10th floor, and it's a water view room. So I'm anticipating some really cool views. Getting very excited as we head up to the room. our room, 9014. I'm gonna go ahead and magic band my way in. So, I'll do like an overview first. It's very, very spacious and very beautiful. It's a beautiful room. So let's go ahead and take a look at all the details here. We've got our Keurig coffee maker with some nice Joffrey's K-Cups. Love it, love it. I'll definitely be using those and bringing home whatever I don't. All right, we've got a nice closet here. It's a really nice size closet. You've got your extra pillows and blankets, ironing board, luggage rack, safe, blow dryer. Oh no, it's not the blow dryer. That's the iron. Hangers to hang your things. Very nice. We've got the bathroom. It has the this cool barn door, which is really neat. I like that a lot. Let's see if I can get a better angle of it. There we go. Very cool. All right, and then we have the bathroom, 2 sinks, which is always super convenient, so 2 people can get ready at once. We've got our H2O Plus products. Love these, love these. Mouthwash, aloe, which I will need because I got sunburned today. You can see my little burn from the park. While I was waiting for the room, I went to Magic Kingdom for a little while. So I will be using that aloe. Got our soap. Really, really nice stand-up shower. And then we've got separate is the toilet area, which is great because one person can be going to the bathroom while the other one is getting ready or taking a shower. Nice full-length mirror so you can check your full outfit. 2, I think these are double beds. Very nice. Very comfy. All right, we've got a really nice desk space as well. Nice chair, and then there is the view, which is pretty phenomenal. Got a view of all of Coronado Springs here. So you've got a nice fountain there. You've got all the different hotel room buildings, and you can see like 3 bridges down there, the restaurant. You've got the pool over there. You can even see the, zoom in on it. You can see the pyramid over there. It's a really nice pool. They have a fun water slide. I probably won't be going in the pool this trip because this is a quick visit. I'm only here for tonight. More hotel rooms. Oh, I see some hammocks over there. There's the tower. I'm on the 10th floor, so I am very high up here. Woo. You can kind of tell how high up I am. You've got some lawn games going on down there. Is that lawn pool? That is so cool. I have never seen that before. What? That's really cool. That looks like fun. Oh, and you can actually see from here. Oh, this is exciting. You can see the 3 bridges that lead to the 3 Bridges restaurant. So you can see Bridge 1. Let's see. Bridge 1 right there. Bridge 2. and Bridge 3. And that's how it gets its name, Three Bridges. And it's delicious. Fabulous drinks, fabulous food. Looking forward to having dinner there tomorrow night. Now tonight, we're gonna be having dinner upstairs at Toledo. So I'm really, really excited about that. The menu looks really delicious. It's like tapas style food, which is something that's relatively unfamiliar to me. I know it's generally like smaller plates, but the menu sounded wonderful. I just grabbed that reservation last night. So yeah, that should be good. We're gonna be heading up there later. Our reservation is right around the time of fireworks. So it sounds like we should be able to see the fireworks from up there, which will be really, really nice. I'm a little tired right now because like I said, I did go to the park while I was waiting for my room to be ready. So I'm gonna take a little rest, then get changed, and then we'll head upstairs for our dinner reservation later on. See you later. Okay, so as I'm sitting here, I just realized something so cool. I was really just sitting on the bed staring out the window, and I realized, I actually don't know how it took me so long to realize it, but I realized that in the distance, I can see Bay Lake Tower and the Contemporary there. And that made me think, well, if I can see Bay Lake Tower and the Contemporary, I should be able to see Cinderella's castle. And then I realized I can, in fact, see Cinderella's castle. It's very, very tiny, but if you look right in the center there, it's like in the middle of the Contemporary and that very large pole. But you can see it poking up there, so super, super cool. And then I kept looking left and realized I could also see the Grand Floridian. Super cool. So what this means is that I would have a really great view of the Magic Kingdom fireworks from my room. I don't know if I'll be in here during firework time because I've got that reservation in Toledo, which means I would really just watch them from up there. But I'm gonna have to check the firework times for tonight. I wonder how that will work out with Harmonious. I know my reservation is to be up there during Harmonious, but it would be cool to catch Enchantment too, or be back here for Enchantment and watch Enchantment from bed. That sounds wonderful. We'll see how this plays out. For lots more fun Disney content, follow 4 Parks 1 Girl Travel on Instagram, 4 Parks 1 Girl Travel Agency on Facebook. Like, subscribe, and share here on YouTube. And when you're ready to experience the magic for yourself, contact 4 Parks 1 Girl Travel Agency and we'll start planning your trip. Have a magical day.